Side hustling, or making extra money, is a great way to fast-track progress toward your financial goals, like paying down debt, saving, and investing. Welcome to The College Investor. I'm Stephanie O'Connell from stephanieoconnell.com, here to share 10 simple side hustles you can start today from the comfort of your own home. 1. Sell on Amazon or eBay. Do you have old books, CDs, or DVDs? Consider selling them on Amazon.com. You might be surprised at how much you can get for your old stuff. eBay is great for selling collectibles and for reselling unique finds from estate and garage sales. 2. Sell on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a micro-selling site where you can sell all kinds of random projects, from graphic design to voiceover work. Visit Fiverr.com to get some ideas as to what you could offer, then create your own listing. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assisting is like personal assisting, but for your online and digital life. Tasks can include anything from managing social media accounts, to writing, to helping your clients monitor their email inboxes. 4. Fill out online surveys. If you have some time to spare online, there are sites that will pay you to do this, and it's super simple. All you have to do is register, and these companies will contact you when they have a survey that fits your profile. Some of the most popular online survey sites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks Surveys, MyPoints, Pinecone, and Survey Spot, and Opinion Outpost. 5. Freelance. There is a lot of freelance work online. You can sign up for sites like Upwork, or you can become your own online freelancer by selling services like freelance data entry, or freelance web development, or freelance copywriting. 6. Online coaching or consulting. If you have skills that people are looking for, like social media or business growth knowledge, you can sell your time and expertise on a platform like Clarity.fm that pays you by the minute for your consulting calls. 7. Sell crafts on Etsy. Are you creative? Maybe selling your own creative products is the way to go. You could open up a shop on Etsy and sell your crafts to others who are looking for unique products. 8. Sell stock photos. If you're a great photographer, you could possibly sell your photos online. Sites like iStockPhoto are always looking for contributors who get paid a royalty every time their photo is purchased. It's a great way to turn your art into some extra cash. 9. Try user testing. Sites like usertesting.com are always looking for users to rate and give feedback on websites. You simply log in and give feedback and usability ratings on different websites and online apps. You can earn up to $10 for each test you participate in. 10. Rent your house on Airbnb. If you travel a lot, you have the potential to rent out your house while you're away. Or you can rent out an extra bedroom or even your backyard for extra income. Find more simple strategies for earning extra money by visiting thecollegeinvestor.com and learn more about saving, investing, and maximizing the extra money you make by subscribing to the channel. I'm Stephanie O'Connell, and I'll catch you next time.